We are going to talk about what is valency. Okay, valency is the combining power of atom. It tells how many electrons an atom gain, loses, or share to achieve a full outermost electron shell. Simple definition: valency is equal to number of bonds an atom can form or the number of electrons it gain, loses, or share. Why it is important? Because it writes the correct chemical formula, predicts how atom bonds, understand ionic and covalent bonding. Balanced chemical equations are more easily by this method. How is valency determined? For main group elements, valency depends on the number of outer shells, okay, or electrons. Rule is group 1, group 2, and group 3 outer electrons lose electrons. For example, lithium, magnesium, aluminum, group 1, group 2, group 3 elements lose electrons. Group 4 elements, most of the time, they share electrons. 5, 6, and 7. For example, 5 is, I think, nitrogen, oxygen, and chlorine out, they gain electron or share electron. Okay. 8 is a already stable atom, so valency is always 0. Okay. Group 1 element outermost electron is 1, valency is 1. For example, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Group 2 outermost 2, valency is 2. So magnesium and calcium, they all, magnesium, calcium always have plus 2 charge. Group 3 is 3 outermost electron, valency is 3. For example, aluminum. Okay. Group 4 valencies, electrons are 4, valency is 4. For example, carbon and silicon. Group 5 is outermost electron of 5, valency is 3, means it can gain 3 electrons. Nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay. Group 6, for example, oxygen has a 6 outermost electron, so its valency is 2. Why? Because it can gain only 2 electrons, okay, or share 2 electrons, okay. Group 7, for example, chlorine valency is 1 because it can gain only 1 electron. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. 8 is the outermost electrons are 8, valency is 0. Helium, neon, and argon, they don't gain any electron. Elements, example of valency: hydrogen 1, valency is 1. Sodium 281, outermost electron is 1, so valency is 1. 282, that is 2 because outermost electron is 2. Aluminum has 3, so that is 3. Carbon has 4 outermost electrons, so it has 4. After 4, it starts to decrease from 4 to 3 for group 5, 2 to group 6, 1 to group 7, and 0 to group 8. Variable valency. Some metals can have more than one valency. For example, iron can stay in the in plus 2 and plus 3 form. Okay, copper can stay as plus 1 and plus 2 form. Tin can be plus 2 plus 4. Okay, these are for most of the time are transition metals. Lead is also 2 and 4. Examples are iron 2 oxide and iron 3 oxide. Okay, here iron has plus 3 charge, iron 3 oxide, and here it has plus 2 charge. Okay, for example, copper here copper 1 has plus 1 charge, and whereas copper 2 has plus 2 charge. That depends on the conditions and the type of copper we are using. Valency in ionic bonding. Atom gains or loses electron to form ions. For example, sodium chloride. Sodium has a valency of 1, chlorine has a valency of minus 1, that is negative, so that will become NaCl. Magnesium has a valency of 2, oxygen has a valency of 2, so they will cancel out each other and they will become MgO. Aluminum has a valency of 3, whereas oxygen has a valency of 2. So we have to take the LCM, that will give us 6. So we need aluminum to 6. So 2 aluminum give us 6, valency of 6. So Al2, oxygen will give us valency of 6 by 3 into 2 is minus 6. So they will cancel out each other. Valency in covalent bonding. Atoms sharing electron according to their valency. For example, hydrogen has a valency of 1, whereas oxygen is has 2. So two hydrogens will be needed to counter the oxygen. Okay, oxygen bonds with two hydrogen atoms. Methane has a CH4, so carbon has a valency of 4, whereas hydrogen has 1. So they will share their electrons. Carbon forms four covalent bond. Okay. Ammonia has a valency of three, and nitrogen and hydrogen has one. So nitrogen will bond with three hydrogen atoms to balance it. Okay. Write a chemical formula using valency. Write the symbols calcium and chlorine. Chlorine, calcium and chlorine. Okay. Calcium has a valency of 2 and chlorine is 1, so we just cross over the valencies. So chlorine valency will go with calcium and calcium valency will go to chlorine. So that will become CaCl2. That is again same for aluminum oxide Al3O2. Say cross it Al2O3. Hydrogen has a Hydrogen plus has a valency of 1, nitrogen plus 1, potassium 1, Ag1, magnesium 2, calcium 2, zinc 2, aluminum 3, chlorine minus 1, oxygen 2, sulfur 2, nitrogen 2, OH minus sign means 1, NO3 minus 1, that depends on this charge, that is minus 1. Okay. Sulfur has a minus 2 charge, so it's minus 2. Carbonate also has a minus 2 charge, so it has two valency, and ammonia has one. Difference between valency and oxidation state. Combining capacity of an atom. Okay, and oxidation state is the apparent change of an atom in a compound. Always a whole number. Can be positive, negative, or zero. Okay, usually no sign is written. Oxidation state is always in plus or minus. Used to write formula. Used in a redox reaction.